This just in.
What's up, guys? My name is Alan.
And I'm Rigo.
And today we got a little challenge. We're actually scared. And we're gonna get lit.
We don't got one thing. We don't got two. We don't got three. Nope. We got five.
But first, we gotta make them. So
let's go cook this thing up real quick.
5 minutes, 10 minutes. I don't know how long this takes.
I don't know.
We'll be right back.
We'll be right back. Alright? I'll tell all my hosts. Back it down.
Damn. Wait, let me.
What do we have? We have the chili here?
Yeah, this is the chili.
Sauce. We got the sauce.
This right here is the.
We got the sauce right here.
We have the chili and we have the seeds. Let's see how this goes. So we just made it. It took longer than 5 minutes.
What?
The water would not boil.
Okay, the water would not boil.
The video today is August 22nd. My birthday!
It's his birthday, guys.
So like and subscribe just because of the fact that it's my birthday. We lose fucking.
It's already late, but hey, tell him happy birthday.
I gotta.
Woo! Let's go, Alan. No, it's kidding. It's not ready yet. I need to put these seeds in. Before this video starts, you guys
just
like, share, and subscribe.
Let's go.
You go, man.
Come on, you.
Go.
I feel pretty good. I wouldn't eat this on the regular. Oh, it's hitting.
Okay.
It gets stuck on your throat.
It is kind of hot.
Ladies.
It's a little hot.
No?
It's a little hot,
but I can tell it'll add up. The second you start hearing me hiccup,
oh my
that's
God.
when you know things got spicy.
Do not start that shit again. You want to spice this thing up or what?
Let's spice it up.
This is kind of weak, bro. Just by itself?
I'm still kind of...
Like, just by itself is... What the... We're not putting any Mad Dog, dude. We're gonna die.
Come on.
We already put that shit on the tacos last time.
Come on.
How much are you gonna put of that?
A little bit, a dab.
A dab?
A dab.
Or like a dab?
A dab. Not a dab.
So not a dab, but a dab?
Yeah. So a dab. That's good.
That's not a dab.
That's
You
good.
put like 2 dabs up in there, bro.
Oh my God. I'm gonna do the same.
You put 2 dabs up in there. What the fuck? You put more on
the
mine?
whole thing in
You
yours.
look at this shit.
I'm
He
not.
fills up the whole cap, bro. Are you
God.
serious?
You drop
Get
what you
out
want.
of
You
here.
drop what you want. Don't throw more in mine, I swear to God. I did it by
I
accident.
did 3 dabs.
Okay,
right?
fine.
Look,
Oh
you
my
know
God,
what?
don't do it to the cap.
It's already on the cap. Oh, don't.
Oh God, I cannot.
We're gonna.
Alright.
No.
Alright, we're not gonna finish this, but you're gonna enjoy what you're about to see on my birthday. No.
God. Dude, I do not want to do this.
Oh God.
It was bad with the tacos. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out.
Link in the
We
description
were
below.
dying.
Cheers. Yep.
Yo, oh my God.
Oh! And that was like a little bit.
Oh! It's like the tacos all over again.
We're just gonna finish a gallon, aren't we? Oh God! Oh my God!
Put this on your damn. I can't even talk.
Hey, don't put it on your eyes. Oh my God, it
Doesn't go away, bro. You know what? If you think we're pussies for doing this, hit us up. We'll fucking save you a bag. We definitely got more sauce, so let you try it.
Talking to you, Luis. You motherfucker.
Talking to you, Luis. You!
Jesus. Alright, so we took like a 2-minute break.
crying, bro.
I don't know.
I'm crying, bro.
It was pretty hot to begin with. I was already like,
It was a little like spicy. Like it's good spicy to begin with. But
yeah. Well, this is something else. I mean,
like we don't go easy here. We don't go easy here in that little show.
So we agreed that we're gonna try to get as far as possible. We don't think we're gonna finish it, but we gotta make a video for you guys.
Dude, my stomach hurts from drinking all this water already.
Ready? 3. We're gonna try to get as far as possible. Just eat. 2, 1. I'm full of water. 0. Go.
I am too.
Don't think about it. Don't think about it. Just go. Just go. Rigo. Rigo.
So what's the hottest thing you ate?
Aiden? Yeah, the hottest thing you've eaten, guys. What's the hottest thing? I'm hitting it.
I need ice, man.
Steal my block of ice. Just take it. Just take it. Huh? Oh my god.
Ice is my friend, bro.
Ice is my friend.
You're my homie, dog. I love you.
This was the drink a gallon challenge. This thing was full when we started. At this point, we're gonna cut to a part where we were happy, and we're gonna get lit.
We don't got 1 day. We don't got 2. We don't got 3. Nope. We got 5.
But first, we gotta make them. Hey, look at us now.
Look at us now.
We weren't even recording. No, I'm just kidding. Imagine.
I would kill you. I would make you eat my plate, bitch.
On my birthday? The second I fucking stopped drinking water, like...
God damn, bro. Some to Alan. He didn't finish. Alan didn't finish. What the hell, Alan? You didn't finish, dog? Alan, you didn't finish? We're the same. Believe me. Come on, bro.
Oh my god, get out of here.
What, bro?
Wow.
You didn't finish?
Shut up.
You
What
didn't
a guy.
finish, bro?
Get the... Bro.
Bro, you didn't finish?
On my birthday?
We're
Is that
the
how
same.
little-
We're the same,
Is that
bro.
how little you freaking ate? My birthday.
So, dude, look at this, guys. It's the same. He didn't eat more than me. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on.
I'm gonna fucking kill your cat.
We just get depression after doing
After
that
doing-
challenge.
I don't know if you guys even enjoy this. If you guys enjoy this, fucking...
I'm depressed. My stomach hurts.
Comment down below if you enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, share, freaking...
Honestly.
For us, at least.